If we feel that we are going to create trouble, this is a democratic expression of opinions. And you can arrest. No, there is a law that you can arrest person on the preventive detention. You can arrest us if you feel that we are going to create trouble. If you feel that you have sufficient ground to proceed with this section 144 CRPC, you go ahead. No, you are just doing what the master told you to do. Simply that. We know. So you apply your mind. Your political master will go one day. You will be continued in your service.
We are following orders,
but don't follow the unlawful order. This is unlawful. The Supreme Court has stated clearly that you cannot invoke section 144 CRPC just to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those officials from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption.
Sir, as a respected,
you tell me what is katalan? This is violent. Is this violent? Hey, kita kalau tu penyidikan. Hey, kita kalau order.
Hakasni Friday, Bawan Honorable Home Minister. Kumakatus ni sa kami kios pati
You mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeast? Yes, everything is fine.
Social media.
No. Kamdan cuk bari. Tapi pintu leran. Beli ini ka darab jat ya kata kecilong Meghalaya.
Hari upor, but because of internet, kan tu dijam ada Friday ru, bahasa orang masih connected masih ada ni belong plenary committee coba NC.
Kadon kabha belong kita. Bagi
lebih toleran dengan represent wrong message.
Yang siapa ni?
Kamdan ke wrong message, kadang right message. They should know the truth. The central leadership should know the truth. Mendai bansu darab jat repair isurak tang perwan ke central leadership. Ka tarong ka igidukan.
Sir, all those issues
we cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy.
Itu issues lah.
You
are a representative. You can raise that issue through a personal meeting, through a courtesy meeting with the.
Who are you to explain me how to raise? You think I don't know? Know your limits. Okay. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies. Ngingim ko ajing kelumar, ka ko ajing kelumar ke sorkar. Ka ko ajing kelumar ke district administration. Dan kami kata kani kampun wit to bimot banong bahkan kam ku suk kan kam jai le dengan isong nang ni inum ki nang ni ti boleh ngim la bani ai bani kenduk yo officer pula phone ngang ongan dia kenduk dangal ai kenduk ong tu ngin sai kren dan ngin sai rai menu ban song hang ni hang nu ngin song menu bani kenduk ngim la ban rai What we are telling you, we are not going to create problem. We have already mentioned it is going to be a peaceful demonstration. Do you understand peaceful demonstration? Not with this. Okay, not with guns. Not with covering your faces. We don't have that kind of intention. Tapi he so artian, he so tikna yung itap tiar line up yung i-check yung i-pay. Dia nak tahu konbi kata ngal ada keren. Bala ki government kimla ki government. Oh, ini penting kena red. Deal in this way. And what will happen if we decide something which is more serious?
That won't happen, sir.
Will you be able to handle the situation, or will you ask? Just give order to fire and lathi charge? That is what you are waiting for. The way you are preparing. Never.
We will not allow. Our future is at stake.
We want to show to the world that as a party, the leaders will take the front lead.